In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for on-duty status using Zoho People. Whether you're stepping out for a work-related task or need to log on duty time, Zoho People makes it easy to keep track of your attendance records. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Zoho People account. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Zoho People URL. Once you're on the site, input your login credentials to access your account. Verifying your login details ensures that you have the right level of access to manage attendance and on-duty requests. Once logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here you will find a plethora of tools, but our focus today will be the attendance section. Click on the attendance tab, which is conveniently located for easy navigation. This tab houses everything related to your attendance, from checking in to managing requests like on-duty applications. Within the attendance tab, look for the on-duty option. Click on it. This is where you can file your on-duty requests. Think of it as your digital note for recording why you're away from the office yet still working. Next up, you'll notice an Add Request button. Go ahead and click on that. Adding a request initiates the process where you will provide details about your on-duty status. It's like filling out a short form to ensure transparency and record keeping. Now it's time to enter the date period for your on-duty request. This is where you specify the range of dates and, in some cases, the specific times you'll be away. Be precise here because the dates are crucial for accurate record keeping, and it ensures there are no misunderstandings about your work schedule. After setting the date, you'll need to select the units. Here you specify whether you will be on duty for a full day, half day, or just a couple of hours. This level of detail helps your manager understand the scope of your absence. The next thing you should do is select the on-duty type. This indicates the nature of your on-duty task, like whether it's a client meeting or an industry convention. Knowing the type of duty can provide context for your absence. Following that, choose the duration of your on-duty period from the options provided. This gives an estimate of how long you'll be away. It's important for planning and resource allocation, ensuring that your duties and responsibilities are adequately covered. Once you've ironed out the details, type in a concise yet clear reason for your on-duty application. The reason field allows you to offer more context and explanation behind your absence, making it easier for your supervisors to understand and approve. Lastly, give your request a final review, and when you're satisfied with the details, click on Submit. This completes your on-duty application process. Your request will now be sent for approval, and you'll typically receive a notification once it's reviewed. And there you have it, a complete guide to applying for on-duty in Zoho People. Following these steps will ensure your time away is documented accurately, keeping your attendance records in perfect order. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.